All right, so you're in LMN and you're looking at your calendars and you do the drop down here for your managers and you see people here that are no longer with your company. And it's just annoying that they're there. It's not hurting anything, but how can we make those people go away? Well, you can come over to settings and manage users, find the person that you're wanting to work with. You would need to make sure you have this show inactive users toggled on to get to them. So once you get into them, you're going to go to view permissions and let's go to them as a user here. Oops. User setup. And instead of being a office staff or crew leader, toggle them to crew member. And then the system's going to want to make them active when you do that, but just turn them back off and then save. So if we come over here and refresh, this here being our calendar, and you do the drop down here, she's gone.